Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, the Q1 FY27 results, most of the results have been already declared, and काफ़ी interesting और काफ़ी अच्छा result season रहा है in general. On an average, I was watching a video by Scientific Investing जहाँ पे they were saying that the sales growth on average in this particular quarter has been north of 15%, and the profitability has been close to 20% across the entire स्टॉक यूनिवर्स जब आप बेसिकली नॉर्मलाइज करते हो सारा रिजल्ट्स को. एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द ट्रिगर्स जो नेक्स्ट लेग ऑफ द बुल मार्केट और द मेन लेग ऑफ द बुल मार्केट को अभी स्टार्ट कर सकता है. बिकॉज एज जनरल और जो वाइडर मार्केट है, द निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप 250, निफ्टी मिड कैप 150, ये सारा ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू इट्स ऑल टाइम हाई है. So very good time to be in the market and study about the stocks that are doing well. So in this particular video, what are we going to do? We are basically going to study the top stocks जो जिन्होंने बहुत बढ़िया results दिया in this particular result season. And for that I will just use one particular tool, and वो भी I'll just use the free version of stock scans, guys. You don't have to buy anything right now, because stock scans right now is one of my favorite tools. मैंने खुद खरीदा नहीं है, but I do use it a lot along with concall.in and screener.in. तो इस वीडियो में I'll just show you how to use stock scan to filter out the best performing and the best performing stocks जो Q1 results में अच्छा किया है. And towards the second part, after that filtration, I'll give you a mental idea of how to find out those stocks जिनका वैल्यूएशन बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सीड और बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है नहीं है in terms of its revenue and profitability growth, and it will help you to find the next set of stocks जो बहुत अच्छे से not only अपना sales बढ़ा सकते हैं, but even there's a potential for both a margin of safety as well as the price to earnings ratio की growth होने में. So let's just quickly start off with that. बहुत simple रखेंगे video. It's gonna be a short one, but it's gonna be something that you guys can follow anytime you want. So सबसे पहले आप आओगे stock scans पे. स्टॉक स्कैन के आने के बाद यूल जस्ट कम टू द स्कैन सेक्शन एंड जस्ट क्रिएट अ रिजल्ट स्कैन. ठीक है, जब ये आप खोलोगे यूल गेट दिस पेज इन जनरल. राइट नाउ इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कंपनी. 617 रिजल्ट्स है, क्योंकि कुछ कुछ बेसिक फिल्टर्स लगे हुए हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द फिल्टर्स दैट वी आर गोना यूज फॉर दिस? बेसिक फिल्टर्स लगाएंगे. फर्स्ट थिंग याद रखना, वेन एवर यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ स्टॉक, you need to first of all find out whether you want to search for large cap, mid cap or small cap stocks, right? Large cap stocks like those in the nifty 50, उनका growth rate ज़्यादा नहीं है right now, right? There's also a lot of lot of pressures on their margins. There's a lot of pressures on their business model. कुछ groups like Tata Group, HDFC Bank, they're having a lot of internal issues, right? तो माई सजेशन वुड बी द बेस्ट मार्केट जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रोथ हो रहा है राइट नाउ आर द मिड एंड द स्मॉल कैप्स, राइट? जो वाइडर मार्केट है. तो कीप योर मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन इन अ रेंज बिटवीन 500 crores to 50,000 crores. तो उसके लिए लेट्स पुट इन द फिल्टर. So first filter will be that the market cap should be greater than 500, right? Second, उसके साथ let me just remove these two for now so that it becomes easy for you guys to see. Second filter क्या करेंगे? We are going to use the same market cap filter, but this time I want it to be less than or equal to 50,000, right? क्योंकि this should be my highest mark. So 500 से 50,000 may I'll get all the quality small caps, and also I'll also get, I won't move into the extremely high मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन वाला लार्ज कैप्स. 500 करोड़ की बेस लाइन रखा है मैंने, बिकॉज स्टॉक्स बिलो 500 करोड़ जनरली आर एक्सट्रीमली माइक्रो कैप कंपनीज जिसमें लिक्विडिटी इश्यूज बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है. सो जस्ट टू सेव योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दोज थिंग्स, एंड एक्सट्रीमली स्मॉल कंपनीज में वैसे भी देर आर नो कवरेज, राइट? तो उसमें देर इज अ हायर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फाइनेंशियल शिनैनिगन्स हैपनिंग. तो उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए यू केप्ट दिस रेशियो. सेकेंड क्या ऐड करेंगे इसमें? विल ऐड द रिजल्ट फिल्टर, राइट? तो हमें क्या चाहिए? वी वांट टू सी इफ द रेवेन्यू ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, रेवेन्यू growth of this particular company on a year on year basis compared to this particular quarter, have that been good. So how do we define good? Good I am defining on a very simple pretext कि मेरा revenue growth should at least be 20%. As active equity investors, always try to find those companies जिनका revenue growth at least 20% है, because anything below that it just isn't something that you should ideally target for a company to study or a company to be inside your portfolio, because market में there are lots of companies जो आराम से 20-30% से ज़्यादा भी ग्रो करते हैं सालों साल. So let's keep that at 20%. right? Second filter what we are going to use is always, right, revenue growth होना चाहिए, but I at the end of the day what matters is the profitability, right? तो इसमें we'll give the same thing, we'll get profit growth, right? So profit growth में what we'll keep PAT, right? PAT everything after depreciation and taxes, ये भी at least 20 से grow होना चाहिए. This is something that keeps in line with both revenue and PAT कि at least 20% की growth on a YOY basis. I want to study only those companies. The last thing that I would add is I want a quality filter, right? I just don't want to study a company जो इस quarter में suddenly 20% से grow कर गया है both revenue and bottom line, but I want to study a company जिनका return on capital employed on an average over the period of time is at least around 20% से ज़्यादा, right? So I'll put a ROCE filter here. तो ROCE filter डालेंगे and put an ROCE filter of at least 20%. तो दीज आर कंपनीज जो मेरा 2020 को फिट करता है एंड जो मेरा रेंज ऑफ मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन में मिड कैप्स और स्मॉल कैप्स मुझे आराम से दे देगा. तो वंस वी रन दिस वी विल गेट अ सीरीज ऑफ स्टॉक्स. तो राइट नाउ आप देख रहे हो, you'll get around 143 companies, right? And if you basically sort this, you will see you can sort it through market cap from the highest market cap to the smallest market cap, right? तो नाउ ये तो आपका 143 लिस्ट ऑफ कंपनीज का नेम आ गया आपके पास, राइट? No, obviously, if you have time, if you have a lot of time other than your job, then you obviously can go through each and every company over here. But there are two things I would want you guys to do उससे पहले, ठीक है? पहला चीज़ क्या है I want you guys to do is I want you guys to always remove, go through the names, use an AI software like ChatGPT or anything Claude and remove any cyclical sectors directly from here, ठीक है? अगर कोई सेक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा हेवी साइक्लिकल सेक्टर है, अगर डायरेक्टली मेटल्स बेसिक कमोडिटीज़ में ट्रेड करता है, डोंट स्टडी दोस कंपनीज क्योंकि it could be a good quarter for them, but these are cyclical stocks that tend to take away the profits that they give right now, right? So you should go for structural stories more than cyclical or commodity based stories. तो वो एक आप हटा के you can maybe reduce the names from 143 to say around 120 130. दूसरा I would suggest one more thing is that since you are studying all of these companies ना, you should always study them with a point of view that there's a margin of safety in your approach. मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी कहाँ से लॉजिकेट आता है? मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी इज बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वैल्यूएशन जो सजेस्ट करता है कि वी डू नॉट बाई स्टॉक्स एट एक्सट्रीमली हाई वैल्यूएशंस एट वैल्यूज जो उनका इंट्रिंसिक जो वैल्यू होता है एक पर्टिकुलर कंपनी का उससे बहुत ज़्यादा पे ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ. And the simplest way to keep margin of safety during bull markets is just to put a PE filter. तो हम edit करेंगे and we'll just add a simple filter of price to earnings, ठीक है? तो मैं price to earnings में एक filter लगा रहा हूँ और उसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई तुम मेरा प्राइस टू अर्निंग्स को ना लेस देन 100 रखो. डू नॉट गिव मी दोज कंपनीज जिनका पी रेशियो इज ग्रेटर देन 100 because right now there might be few companies that are doing very well. They have like more than 100% PAT growth and revenue growth and their P ratio is above 100. It is maybe justified right now from a peg level, from a forward P level and everything that investors discuss. But any particular 2 3 or 1 quarter also of bad results, right? और एनी फाइनेंशियल शिनैनिगन्स आ गया, कोई कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस इशू हो गया, कोई दिस एनीथिंग दैट इज कोई हेडविंड आ गया, कोई मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर आ गया. तो at that point of time what will happen is that P ratio will be the first thing that will get completely cut by at least 30 40 50%, right? This particular company KPIT Tech at one point used to trade at a P of 80, right? It was the best player in the software vehicles ER&D space, right? तो right now उनका P कितना हो गया? It's around 25, right? So it's basically a degradation of P of more than 70 80%, right? You don't want to be in that particular space even if your company is growing at a very good rate in terms of its earnings. So from a simple margin of safety point of view मैंने price to earnings को less than 100 रखा है. If you guys do not want to put this, you want to study extremely highly valued stocks, you can obviously remove this filter. तो इसको एक बार रन करते हैं. तो it brought it down from 143 to 135. These are 135 stocks जो 20% से सेल्स ग्रो किया है, 20% से पैट ग्रो किया है. इनका रिटर्न ऑन कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इज 20% से ज़्यादा, विच मीन्स जो भी कैपिटल वो कंपनी एम्प्लॉय करता है फॉर न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स, न्यू एक्सपेंशन ड्राइव्स, वॉट एवर इट इज़ डूइंग इंटरनली, वो एडिशनली इंक्रीमेंटली 20% प्रॉफिट कमा के देता है. सो इट्स अ गुड ऑपरेशनल कंपनी. But do we need to study all of these companies? Yes, if you have time, yes. But say you don't have that much of time and your portfolio already has 20-25 companies and you want to just create a, a backup of 20, 25 or 50 stocks जो तुम्हारा satellite portfolio पे आता है, then you have to look at the best opportunities quickly. तो उसको आप कैसे करोगे? Very simple. The first thing that you need to do over here is you come over here and you directly do one thing is you have to see the ratio between the PAT growth on a YOY basis and the price to earnings at a TTM basis that is there right now. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल फंडा है. आई वॉन्ट टू लुक एट कंपनीज जिनका पैट ग्रोथ YOY बेसिस पे ज़्यादा है than my price to earnings growth, price to earnings ratio right now. Let's look at these few examples and see. Premier Energies का जैसे PAT growth is 53%, price to earning is 27%, right? This passes, तो Premier Energy में पढ़ूंगा. ठीक है. Ajanta Pharma, see, doesn't pass. PAT growth is 30%, but the P ratio right now is 40. तो अगर मैं ये करता, अगर मैं इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक का करंट पेग पीजी रेशियो कैलकुलेट करता, जिस इज बेसिकली प्राइस टू अर्निंग्स डिवाइडेड बाय द पैट, दिस वुड बी ग्रेटर देन 1. Now I'm not saying greater than 1 means expensive, right? Expensive from a peg level is usually greater than 2. But I'm just saying अगर आपके पास you have a fixed period of time, you want to study the best opportunities जो valuation as well as growth के तरफ से है, then use this filter, right? Focus on companies जिनका PAT growth YOY is greater than their current price to earnings ratio. So Premier Energy passes. आदित्य इन्फोटेक का देखो 332% से पैड ग्रोथ हुआ है Q1 FY20, incredible, right? And its PE is 86, so its high PE is justified by a extremely strong growth in earnings. तो आदित्य इन्फोटेक को पढ़ो, right? Then you have other examples. Then the next example जो आप पढ़ सकते हो is RR Cable, right? RR Cable is a very rich valuation of 51, but its PAT growth is also very strong, right? It's more than 2x, राइट, ऑफ इट्स पी रेशियो. तो ऐसे आप ना एक लिस्ट आप देखोगे, जब ये पूरा लिस्ट पे आप ये पर्टिकुलर चीज करोगे, सपोज जस्ट गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल, इफ यू हैड द पेड वर्जन ऑफ स्टॉक्सकैन्स व्हिच इज आल्सो right now only 5,000 rupees a year, so you can definitely buy it. You could have downloaded this and just you put a filter and you could have made a calculation and simply gotten the top companies जो वो particular रेशियो को सरपास करता है ऑफ 2x, राइट? एंड यू कुड हैव स्टडीड दोस. आइडियली जब ये करोगे आप, यू विल सी दैट दिस 135 रिजल्ट्स वुड ड्रॉप टू अराउंड 60-70 ओनली, एंड दोज आर द 60-70 कंपनीज व्हिच आर इन द बेस्ट पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन फॉर यू टू स्टडी. नाउ एक बार क्विकली बात करेंगे हम लोग ऑन द टाइप ऑफ कंपनीज एंड द कंपनीज जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट किया है. if I am tracking any of these in my in my portfolio, I'll talk about those. If these are part of the investment opportunity series जो मैं करता हूँ, which we have already discussed more than 30-35 stocks, तो उसका कुछ रिजल्ट अगर इस लिस्ट में आता है तो विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. सो लेट्स सी. प्रीमियर एनर्जी एक्सप्लोसिव्स का कंपनी है, बहुत बढ़िया रिजल्ट किया है. Aditya Infotech is getting a lot of tailwind from the Indian growth in the Indian CCTV market, right? It's a market leader and it's doing extremely well. ये पहला क्वार्टर नहीं है, बहुत सारे क्वार्टर से this particular company is doing great. IKS again extremely large total addressable market है कंपनी का. ये जो it's present in the US medical value chain, वहाँ पे AI services provide करते हैं कंपनी to automate a lot of the manual tasks in the AI in the medical value chain. तो interesting company है. RR Cable obviously one of the best performers right now in the cables and wire space. बहुत बढ़िया रिजल्ट किया कंपनी ने. There's also a lot of tailwind in the shipbuilding space. गार्डन रीच आप देख रहे हो, ये लास्ट 1-2 क्वार्टर से बहुत बढ़िया रिजल्ट कर रहा है. न्यूलैंड लेबोरेटरीज. आप अगर नीचे जाते हैं थोड़ा, इफ़ यू टॉक अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट ज्वेलरी स्पेस में आते हैं, थंगा माइल का भी रिजल्ट बहुत बढ़िया था. विजय डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर हैज़ बीन समथिंग दैट हैज़ डन इट्स रिजल्ट्स गुड ओवर अ लास्ट गुड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ये अपना डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर्स भी एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं, एंड द रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ is also very decent, even though the valuations right now are extremely rich. Auto ancillary space mein Lumax Autotech, it's been a very good performer over the last 1-2 years. Very good. in terms of the way this particular company has scaled up. T&D space में Atlanta Electronics, again one more auto ancillary player, Ask Automotive. Sudeep Pharma is a very interesting company. You can check out the video on SOIC's channel. They covered Sudeep Pharma's entire business breakdown, so you could learn more from them. uh, so we track Sky Gold. I track Sky Gold, Wabag, and Manorama, right, in my investment opportunity series. All of these companies have fantastic results दिया है. Sky Gold तो in fact अपना guidance को almost revise करके they've guided that they were already doing extremely well. उनका cash flow positive already हो गया है, which was the target by the end of the year. वोबैक का अगर आप एनालिसिस करोगे तो वोबैक का ऑर्डर बुक इज एट एन ऑल टाइम हाई. कंपनी का वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पैट क्वार्टर्स रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ ग्रोथ, 37% का. So very good results from Wabag. Manorama after the last quarter's hiccup has come back extremely strongly. उनका expansion plans, capex plans बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है. These are very very good companies जो आप लोगों को पढ़ना चाहिए. Jain Resource Recycling, again another player like Gravita in the entire field of waste to wealth, just like Manorama. Thyrocare आप देखियो right now. You saw Vijay Diagnostics at the top. Then if you come down again, you see an auto ancillary player of Pricol. You see Quality Power Electrical, right? T&D transmission towers and all of these. This entire theme is working very well. You come down and you see great results also from Precision Wire, right? So Precision Wires, again similar cables and wires in terms of dynamic cables. If you look at RR Cable, and all of these companies are also doing great. Another onto ancillary, SJS Enterprises. uh, then you come down and you look at ASM Technologies, right? Design led manufacturing for semiconductors, electronics, and all of this new age industrial IoT space. So again, in terms of looking at an Indian design led manufacturer that is not only just making the final product but also a high margin because of their design led capabilities. So this is a very good company also. Then come down a few FMCG players popped up this particular quarter. Bajaj Consumer Care again did well along with Zydus Wellness. These are some things. Gina Zico has been there in the particular filters for a long period of time, but their growth rates are kind of moderating right now. uh, then you have a lot, like you go to Timex, you see all of the high end watches segment, which is always growing very strongly. Goldium International expanding their lab grown diamond space, along with the modes that they have. Particularly have I had made a video on Goldium also, you can check that out. Then you have interesting companies like DP Abhushan, again growing very strong in tier 2 tier 3 markets and now moving forward. उनका particular company का expansion plan is also very strong. Then you have another player for in the Indian railway Kavach entire space. You have Kernex Microsystems relatively well. Then you look at very very interesting companies and a few new names. So up पढ़ते you will realize that there are new names coming up here, and you could particularly study those particular companies. Like this, you can go through the entire list once you made the particular filter, and you will realize that it's a lot of interesting companies जो under the radar निकाल जाते हैं. But if you use this particular filter, you can study about them and not only learn about new companies and new growth prospects, but also diversify your portfolio अगर आपको invest भी करना है. So just 2 cents from here. If you have time, go through all of these companies, study about them, go to screener, study about them, use AI tools, right? Study about the business model, what they are doing and all. If you don't have that much of time, look at those companies जिनका PAT growth YOY is greater than the price to earnings. So this list will reduce by 50%, and then you can maybe study those companies in much more detail. So this was all around the simple way, if you have less time or more time, how you could study about companies. Now obviously I could make more videos on the next steps, right? अगर मैंने identify कर लिया तो उसके बाद how do I study about a particular company, maybe I'll make a video on that later. But I'll obviously the Q1 result season has come to an end, so I'll again start off with my investment opportunity series, and also I'll make a video very soon on the total number of companies we'll be tracking going forward. A few additions that I have made in this particular quarter based on the good results of a few companies, तो उसको पढ़ेंगे अच्छे से. And going forward, every result season we'll be tracking the results of all of those companies along with the investment opportunity series that keeps on growing, right? So I hope you guys like the video. If you did like it, do like and subscribe to the channel, hype it up, and I'll see you very soon with another one. Thank you and bye bye.